Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Yes, we are in the kitchen getting it mixed up. Yes, we have our lovely lamb breast there that we about to make 2 recipes with it. We're going to do one oven roasted, and this is the ingredients for the oven roasted lamb breast. And then we're going to do a jerk lamb breast. Oven roasted and jerk lamb breast. Stay tuned for the video. Have a blessed Thanksgiving. Hey guys, just showing you, a little bit. I cut off a lot of the fat. Look, and it's still tons left of fat, guys. Yes, it is. And so we want to take this membrane off, the skin, whatever you want to call it. So our stuff can be succulent. Hey guys, so we got all of our seasonings in there, and we are ready to whisk in some olive oil, and then we're going to brush this lovely seasoning on our lamb breast. All right, so add as more, just go and paste yourself with it. And then we're going to wrap it in the foil. This one is just our oven roasted. We haven't started on our jerk breast yet. So let's get our lamb breast. I took off as much fat as I could. And you just want to, just like that on both sides, all right? So we're going to pile these babies up with flavor, all right? And then we're going to wrap them up and put it in the oven. So I'll be back. All right, guys. So we are ready to wrap these up. Do you see every inch of these lamb breasts are covered in our delicious seasoning? So I'm going to see the sides. Oops, almost losing it. The sides and everything, guys. Make sure you coat these babies up right, okay? One thing I didn't have up on the counter for seasoning, please do not forget your black pepper. I use peppercorn medley into this dish, along with the rest of the seasonings that I showed you at the beginning. I'm just going to put this in the oven on this baking sheet. Wrap it up nicely. And we're going to cook this in the oven on 300 degrees. All right. I'm going to put this in the oven along with our other one for about 2 hours until it's nice and tender. Then we're going to take them out of the foil and put them under the broiler, okay? Let's get started on our jerk lamb breast. Be right back. Hey guys, so this is our sauce for our oven roasted lamb breast. So this is what we use: the parsley, vinegar, lemon juice, garlic, honey, red pepper flakes, and salt. Okay, so all I did was blend everything together, mix well, and set it aside so we could pour over our roasted lamb breast. Okay, so I would advise that you use fresh garlic, because I didn't. All right, guys, so this is what we're using for our jerk lamb breast. Got your olive oil, all of our seasonings, as you can see right there. And we got that sauce doctor. And if you haven't got your sauce yet, yes, get on over to Adrian Cooking and Food Review. Yes. And the sauce doctor, which is available via IG, y'all. Get on over there and go grab you some at the sauce doctor. And in these containers here, I had grounded up some fennel seeds, some cumin seeds, some Italian seasoning, some thyme, and then in the back that is some jerk seasoning there. And yeah, so we're gonna get into this dish and start mixing it all up so we can brush this lovely, lovely, lovely seasoning blend on our breast. So I'll be back. All right, guys, and I also forgot, don't forget, you know I can't leave out my herb de Provence, some paprika, some Maggi chicken seeds, chicken flavor bouillon, and I know I already mentioned that sauce doctor right there. Oh, yes. All right, so I have most of my seasonings in there, ready to go. Be right back. We're going to come in with our wet ingredients. All right, this is about to be fire. We're coming in with our raspberry balsamic vinegar. And we're going to do our jerk sauce. The sauce doctor, okay? Don't be scared now. Come on in. Come on in with our olive oil. Let's get to mixing this goodness. Ooh. I tell you, we have our first breast already in the oven and it's smelling so delicious. All right. And this is where you come in and you taste your sauce and see what you need. All right. I'll just taste a little bit just to see where it's at. I'm going to put a little bit more raspberry. All right. Put a little bit more oil base in there. And I want to come in with a little bit more sauce doctor, okay? Yes. Because I need enough to also put some more on it as it's cooking, okay? And we're going to do the same thing. Brush this all on our lamb breast. Wrap it up in the foil and throw it in the oven. I'll be back. All right, y'all. Y'all see that deliciousness with that jerk sauce covered on all sides. Yes, all sides. Baby, that macaroni and cheese. Ooh, can y'all imagine the smell in here, baby? Listen. Listen. Listen, y'all. Isaac. Listen, Linda, listen. Linda. All right. There we go. This is going to go in at 300 degrees, okay? And this is going to cook for 2 hours, too. So stay tuned. I'm about to get the rest of our delicious dishes together. I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So, I let this rest. These are our lamb breasts. And I let it rest before I opened it up. Let's see how, ooh, baby, in them juices. Woo! Now these are about to go under the broiler. Y'all see that, y'all? Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh. I know these are tender. It ain't ready yet, y'all. It look tender, though. I'm going to put this in for a little bit more. Put it in there for about 10, 20 more minutes. And lock in them juices. Don't lose the juice. With our jerk. Braise it a little bit more. All right? Yes, that's what we want. A little bit more. All right, y'all. And these going to go back in there for about 10, 15 more minutes. That's what you want. Right, child? Okay? Now, we gonna check on and see what our roast look like, all right? Be right back, guys. Hey, guys, welcome back. Let's take a look at what I roasted. Ooh, this baby got a lot of fat. Ooh, baby. Ooh, guys, y'all see that? And imagine the crispiness that's gonna come off of there in the broiler. So I'll be back, okay, guys? So I have our lamb on our broiler pan, okay? So we're about to hit this baby in there. And I'm going to hit it with the sauce doctor, okay? For our jerk. All right? Yeah. More. I want that flavor. So, we are ready to put these under the broiler. I'll be back. Guys. It was getting smoky in here. Look at that deliciousness. Ooh, baby. I'm ready to eat. Y'all ready? Yes. Hey, guys. So there we have it. Our mac and cheese, sweet potatoes. We got our green beans with some hot Italian sausages and onions up in there. Here is our lamb breast with that delicious sauce I made. And our jerk lamb breast. Ooh. I can't wait to dig in. And some Italian sweet rolls. And I brought some Hawaiian sweet rolls. And I have brought some store-bought small little apple pies. I did not want to bake. Okay? Not this year. All right. Yes, guys. Eyes are eating. That goodness. Yummy. Ooh, I'm so hyped. Look at that meat, y'all. Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Well done.